Testle Philippines yola ning thawan testle thesumdele jadu thujichin gabucho ane thren jadu nyege pu wanden ane ebi jishin bakala video junju jisye ane di kuji kang mama share kyorona thobu thong masala ane threga jangan su Philippines mangbojela ane pu dinde kange yodanjula pento na samne nga gerewa 지기에 아니 디 토나야 고대바이나 아니 펜 계제 부고라 랍다 데셰야다 티바고다 아니 뭐지기 지단에 따라 계제든지 내가 친구 매겨더고 요때 이내 하장기 내가 친구 아니 부를 계제 시단라 어딘데도 아니 디 감마마제 네 셰어 그렇지 디니게 보고 찍래 펜에 펜 도구라 디니레와이 라세네 그라 계세 택만 당부다 나게 나는 라이크 제다 아니 서브스크라이브 제 전부 맞으러나 아니 투체나 네부 용하게 레와이 펜도 용하게 레와이 라세 사물로 아니 고슬라 투자난 거 Okay, Miss Sima, can you please explain me for a minute what you are doing right now?
So right now we are working on community helpers.
Okay.
And we're working on what community helpers might use.
Okay.
So Juan is telling me expressively what each item is.
Okay. Can I just see what is that? Oh, okay.
So these are all items that a doctor would use.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
And these are important to know, is that right?
Yeah. So if a child is telling you what, if he makes a trip to the dentist and he's trying to tell you what he doesn't like about going to the dentist, he can tell you exactly what it is. He might not like getting his teeth cleaned because of the water that's spraying in his mouth.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Are you looking?
Stethoscope.
So this is the
Scope. Stethoscope.
stethoscope. Good. And what is, do you know what this is here?
Ear.
Do you know what? You're right. This checks your ear. This is called the otoscope.
Otoscope.
I hope I'm saying that right. What's it called?
Otoscope.
Yeah, and that checks your,
Yeah.
good. And what's this here?
Hammer.
Are you looking at the picture?
Hammer thing.
It's called a reflex hammer.
Reflex hammer.
And you know when you would use the reflex hammer?
What?
You would use it to check your reflexes. So I would use, let me see your knee. Can I see your knee? Where's your knee? Can I see it? I can't see it, it's under the table. So bring your knee out. Good, so you would use the reflex hammer and the doctor would use the hammer and hit you right here. And if it gets the right spot, you would kick without even wanting to kick. Your leg would move. Do you want to try that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so bring your leg out. Here, sit properly. Okay, ready? Now I'm going to try to get the right spot. Wait. You might need to lift your leg up a little bit.
You need a hammer kind of
I know,
like.
oh, did your leg kind of move? Wait, don't move it. Oh, and check your reflexes. I'm Dr. Sima. Your reflexes aren't working, mister.
We need to get a hammer,
No, you need
Miss
to get the
Sima.
right spot. Where is it? Here, do you want to try it on mine?
Okay.
Oh, see how mine just kind of moved? No, you can't just slap it like that. You have to get it right here. That's why you need the hammer, right? Oh, there you go. There you go. Good. Okay, that was good. Okay, come. Okay, come. All right. Let's look at this one here. Wait, and who would use all these tools? Do you know who would use all these tools?
Doctor.
Yeah, easy. A doctor. Okay, let's look at this here. What are these items?
Scope. That thing?
It's not called a thing, it's called a scanner.
Scanner.
Yes.
Books.
A scanner. These are books. Good. And what are these here?
Books.
These,
Names.
they look like books, but it's a magazine.
Magazine.
Yeah, so we have books, magazines, and a scanner.
Yeah.
And who would use all this stuff here? Or where would you find all this stuff?
Librarian.
Yeah, librarian would use this stuff. That is absolutely right. Okay,
Thank you.
let's try. Let's do this here.
Thank you.
What's this here?
Money.
Money. What about that?
Passes. Cash.
Cash register.
That was a
Good. I know it's a tough one to say. And these are,
the cash grocer.
well, this is the cash register, but what's this here?
The cash register.
These are receipts.
Receipts.
And who would use this stuff here?
The cashier.
A cashier. Very good.
Miss Simon, can I just see for a second? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hmm.
Egg.
What's this here?
Phone.
Yeah.
Treats.
Yeah, these are treats. That's right. They are doggy treats. What's this here? Are you looking? Yeah, what's this here?
Leash.
Leash. What about this here?
Needle.
Needle. And who would use all this stuff here?
Dog. A veterinarian.
A veterinarian. Good. That's a tough one. Hey, do this one here. Where's your nose?
Here.
And what's your teacher's name?
Miss B.
What's your teacher's name?
Mr. B.
Mr. B. Good. What's your teacher's name?
Mr. B.
Mr. B, because he's a man.
Man.
And a man is a,
Boy.
so you would call,
Mr.
yeah, you would use Mr. Okay, let's look at this here. What is this?
Huh?
What's that?
Mixer.
Mixer. Good. And
Spoons.
yeah, we've got some spoons. And what's this here?
Rolling pin.
A rolling pin. What would you use a rolling pin for?
Rolling the food.
Rolling what?
Dough.
Rolling dough. Rolling dough to make maybe what?
Pizza.
Pizza, maybe. What else would you use a rolling pin for?
Spaghetti.
I guess you could use a rolling pin to
Pa.
make spaghetti.
One then pa
Palette.
Oh, you would use a rolling pin to make that?
Yes.
Okay, so listen, who would use all this stuff?
Baker.
A baker. Yeah, you know what? You would also use a rolling pin to roll out the dough to make cookies.
Thank you.
Hey,
Okay.
are you listening?
Huh?
You would roll out the dough to make what?
Cookies.
Cookies. Good. It's good listening. All right.
Can I just see 1 second again? Thank you.
Hey.
This is the.
Okay, good stuff, Wangden.
Now?
Yes, you know what? You can take a little break, okay? I'm gonna set the timer for you so you can take your break, dude.